Most reviews on the Medicinal Garden Kit tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the seeds, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with self-reliance and health management. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address surface symptoms, not the real reason it keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, spending a fortune at the pharmacy and still feeling vulnerable, that's the gap the Medicinal Garden Kit is designed for. When I broke down how the Medicinal Garden Kit actually works, it targets root-level biological self-sufficiency directly, not just temporary symptom suppression. That's the distinction that matters. Most store-bought supplements and remedies work at the symptom level, which is why you get results that fade and costs that keep rising. This goes a layer deeper, sourcing non-GMO, hand-picked heirloom seeds to grow your own concentrated backyard pharmacy of perennials and self-seeding annuals. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the inclusion of chicory and yarrow seeds, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses foundational pain management and rapid wound stabilization without synthetic additives. Then California poppy and marshmallow, which I hadn't seen formulated together this way for sleep and digestive mucilage protection in a single seed collection before. And echinacea and calendula, easy to overlook, but their ability to compound immune defense and lymphatic cleansing is what makes the other 8 plants actually support a holistic system, instead of acting as isolated quick fixes. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 1 to 2 weeks, most people notice the seeds sprouting and establishing a clear, living green footprint in their yard. That tends to build into active harvesting and making basic home tinctures or teas with consistency. And longer term, total independence from commercial pharmaceutical supply chains and a drastically reduced yearly medical budget. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Plant the 4,818 seeds following the detailed instructions in the included Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies. Fits into a daily routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful compounding results, 4 to 8 weeks as the perennial plants mature and remedies are prepared. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first weeks are laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. The Medicinal Garden Kit comes with a full 365-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Free shipping and 2 bonus guides included right now. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. That's the full matrix on the Medicinal Garden Kit. Mechanism checked, features broken down, risk assessed. The call is yours.